Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Today I am going to make green juice. Okay? And what I have to make my green juice is some celery. Okay, here goes some celery, a green apple, some spinach, a lemon, some ginger, a cucumber, and some parsley. Okay, all right, I'm gonna cut up everything and put it in my NutriBullet. Okay, and I'm not gonna do ginger first again. I'm just gonna put everything together. Okay, I have already washed everything, so I'm just gonna cut. And you know, when you're making green juice, you don't have to cut off the skin from this. All these are organic. If it's not organic, you surely have to cut off the skin, because you know the chemical that they use, spray it. All right, I'm just gonna, this is my lemon. I think that I can get the seed out. Okay. Just like making my green juice, I like to use a green apple. I'm not gonna hold one time, so I'm gonna use some of this, some of that. Yes. Let me try and see. Some parsley. So everything I'm gonna throw in one stuff, so I just use some at a time. And some spinach. And you don't have to use a lot of water because we have the water. Yeah, everybody should have green juice every day. Because you see the food that we are eating, we don't have enough nutrients. So you have to make green juice every day. It's good. Sometimes your body just love it and it's like you can't move. Make some green juice and drink. And you see the result. See my juice rich and pretty? Okay. And this is my glass to drink right now. Somebody got a little left. All right. Is it so lovely? Is it so wonderful? Okay, let me taste it. Not because it's green juice. It tastes very nice. Very, very nice. Guys, thank you so much for journeying with me. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comments down below. Okay, thank you all for journeying with me. Bye.